The streets of my new neighborhood are grimy with dirt and salt, but when it snows, even the ugliest of places are turned beautiful. Though it is several hours past sundown, the snow moving in brings clouds that reflect green in the sky. The whole road is illuminated by the light bouncing off the white covered ground and into the sky and then back again. We pull up to the restaurant and park under a streetlight. The top layer of flakes look like someone threw silver glitter all over the ground. It shimmers like 1,000 tiny diamonds, and I'm mesmerized. And more continue to float downward, so slowly, so that they look suspended in the sky like tufts of cotton. The car dealership and the gas station are no longer here. The traffic and stoplights are gone. It's just me and the snow and the serenity it brings. Hi, my name is Ashley. My area of concentration is fiction. I am in my third year, second semester, so hopefully we'll be graduating by the end of this term. I currently am located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm just relocated up to one of the northern suburbs. And before this, I was medical scribing, which was super interesting because you're never going to hear weirder, truer stories than from people who come into a family practice clinic. So, looking forward to working with y'all. Bye.